Hey everyone, so today I'm doing purple neon, and I used that neon purple. These are, they glow under the black light. NYX didn't have this in purple, they had fuchsia. I got this to maybe darken it a little bit. It's their, I don't know if they still sell it, their Vivid Brights. Honestly, this was sealed with, with like a plastic. And so that's telling me that these are going to dry out. So I wonder if my other two dried out. But this is a little dry. I'm just going to put a eye drop in there, see if maybe that helps. And it's just to make the fuchsia look a little bit more darker. Did it? But it definitely needs water because last night, yeah, I think it did work. Last night, I was testing it out, and it was pretty dry, and it was hard to blend. So adding that drop of water really helped a lot. Well, it was eye drops anyway. I don't know if you remember, but growing up, I hated fuchsia because every time you were looking for purple, you'd get a fuchsia. I was wondering if putting that purple was the right thing to do. And yeah, it really is, because this really comes off as a pink. So adding that little bit more color to it is awesome. I'm gonna do the other eye now because I don't know if once it dries it's gonna be as effective. So maybe the moisture might help. I don't know if you could see how pink that comes off, so I'm really glad I added that vivid purple underneath. Just gonna dab it because black is strong. It's coming out a little patchy. It doesn't usually do that. And I always blend it out. I just use this virgin white pressed powder from Manic Panic. Just continued their makeup line, and they're just doing what they've always done, which is their hair stuff. Go over it with the black. Gonna try and get a little bit of the fuchsia color right in here. Also sticking in this frosty powder. Just open it up a little more. Funny. Just regular black mascara liner. Finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used this as the blush, but it was a little sloppy and patchy, so I used like a peachy color, just a little bit to help smooth it out. Did my usual, contour stuff right here. I'm almost finished with a pink highlighter. It's a liquid, so I put that on. It's like I cut it open and everything. It's an older Mary Kay. Then I took a purple and neon fuchsia, and I put the purple on the outside and the fuchsia in the inner corners, and I put white in the waterline. Then I used the purple for the liner, and I mixed Airborne Unicorn with the purple lip gloss, and I got a color that I wanted. So that's what I did. My hair, I touched up, I ran out of the blue. I used up all the blue doing the back of my hair, and it's discontinued, but I found it on Amazon, so I ordered that. It's not, I don't think it's part of Amazon Prime, so I'm gonna get that next week, which is good because I have enough to retouch this. So in about 2 weeks, I'll retouch this and retouch the back. So yeah, I retouched it, but I still can't get that golden warm tone. I thought if I put in a lot and I let it sit there, that it would, like cover the gold, but it didn't. So yeah, I ordered another cobalt blue, and I'm going, when I retouch it again in about 2 weeks, I'm gonna put the blue again in the back again to see if maybe it'll cover the green, which after this experience I don't think it will. Yeah, so the purple rage is here, and as it fades to almost like a pastel purple, and then it turns white. And then I put the magenta here, and it mixed a little bit with the blue, so it looks nicer there. And then I put it down the middle, and then I part it to the side after, my hair dries. And so that's what's going on with the hair now.